Today we're taking a classic ribeye to new heights with a teriyaki twist, all done in an air fryer. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. Today we'll be using my favorite prime ribeye, but you can also use prime sirloin if you prefer. Let's measure how thick my ribeye is so you get a better idea when you're cooking yours. This is 1 inch thick. Rinse the steak and pat it dry to eliminate any moisture. This will help prevent steaming your steak. I'm adding a light sprinkle of avocado oil. Make sure you get both sides. This will help your seasoning also stick better. Now let's season it with some coarse salt, pepper, and garlic powder. This will enhance the flavor of our steak beautifully.
You're watching Rose Oatley. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of any new videos.
Today we're adding Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki marinade. This is our secret weapon for adding incredible flavor. Let's drown our steaks in this deliciousness. Don't be shy. Coat all sides. We want it swimming in flavor. You're going to be amazed at how delicious and the difference this makes. So don't skip it. Now let it sit for about 45 minutes to soak up those flavors and come close to room temperature. This helps ensure more even cooking. Today we'll be using my Cosori air fryer. I'll be preheating it for 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 200 degrees Celsius for my metric friends. Trust me, it makes a difference. Having a thermometer is very crucial as every air fryer and steak thickness can vary. Yes, a little different, just like every family member at parties. Some are a little more temperamental than others. Woo! Once it's preheated, spray a little avocado oil in the basket. A spritzer like this one works wonders. Just don't use aerosol cans as those can ruin the coating of your basket faster than your uncle can ruin a family gathering with politics. We're ready to add our steak. If you're interested in any of the products I'm using today, check the links in the description below. We'll start at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and cook for 3 minutes on one side.
My preferred doneness is medium or medium rare. What's your preferred doneness? Let me know in the comments below.
After 3 minutes, we'll flip the steak and continue cooking it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. Remember, the steak will keep cooking while it rests, so aim to remove it at about 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius for that perfect medium rare doneness. Our steak is done. Let's take a look. This looks fantastic. I'm going to set it on a plate. Now cover the steak and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. While it rests, I'll add another steak for those who prefer it medium. An extra minute will do. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's cut into one of our steaks before we plate. Look at that juiciness. I can already taste it. Okay, this one is the medium. What do you think? I'll save this one for my husband. Let's move on to the next. This one should be my medium rare. Let's add a little greenery for garnish. I'll show you what it looks like plated and also cut. And there you have it, teriyaki air fryer ribeye steak served with a side of mashed potatoes and broccolini. Perfect for impressing dinner guests or yourself because hey, you deserve it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to taste it. I love this steak. This one is also another big hit in my home. You first. Look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is so juicy and tender and the flavor over the top. So good. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And don't forget to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support. Happy cooking.